producing pornographic movies. Brings mental illness, misery, and a broken family. And Guitar Hero, low tech. Catch your wife on fire, you become a species without hands. Not building sufficient toilets for others in need affects brings stomach disease. I mean, that's so true.
Look at that.
Straight up here. It's definitely got that communist socialist structure to it. You could like, that's something you'd see in Stalingrad. That's exactly, I know, but it's like, that's the exact type of architecture that's like communism and socialism is known for. It's like blocked features, just like all the carvings that like they have of people. They all look like they're made out of stones because they look strong. Oh, do not go this way. This way? Okay, cool. You can't walk in this area, which we found out the easy way.
What's this dead dog? Maybe this is a COVID thing.
Maybe you can't go see Ho Chi Minh anymore, huh?
I'm not sure. That's one of these people.
Yeah, I thought you could go inside and go look at them, but that looks pretty closed. I don't know. Look, I'm really here. So our Ho Chi Minh looking exploits are at an end because I have to come back at 7 to 10 in the morning. I'll probably do it on Friday to go see him. That's the only time you can see him. So I got these pants for nothing, but let's go look around the garden.
Well, you might need it for December literature anyways.
There you go. Can't wait to take them off. Hey, they let that guy in with shorts. Mine were too short. They were too sexy. They showed a little too much above the knee. Look at that, they're cutting the grass with like a hand. They're weeding with a hand. You want to look at this map? Oh, there's a car showroom.
This is a garden, Attila.
Yeah. There's a bunch of cool stuff actually. There's a car, his car's showroom, and you don't want to see this? Let's go look. Okay. And what do you want to do? $2. Well, let's look at this real quick. See if this looks interesting to you. Oh, One Pillar Pagoda actually is pretty cool, supposedly. You can see the presidential palace. I mean, I think it might be worth it. What else are we gonna do?
Yeah, you got a massage if you want to go.
Yeah, let's just do it. Yeah, it's $2. Let's do it. It's not even $2. It's like 3 something. Oh. Okay, house number 54. That's where Ho Chi Minh lived. It's pretty small. His bed's right there. Dining room. And probably most importantly, it's his desk where he made all the decisions that got Vietnam to where it is now. Pretty much, it's a very simple and relatively small house. Yeah, I mean, there's some more stuff there, but I think he was mostly in this one here. And that was part of his appearance too, is he's socialist, right? So he's not going to live like a king. He's got to live more modestly, and that was part of it, the whole thing. Kind of cool. In his office you see Lenin, and I forgot who the other guy is. Marx, no, I think. That's pretty cool. Road, it's where Ho Chi Minh would do his morning walks and exercises under mango trees.
Good shade.
Good shade.
This is a 10 out of 10 shade.
Good place to do morning walks and exercises. To the right of this mango walkway is where the presidential palace is. Oh, check out this squirrel. They're not like the American squirrels. They're just like dark black with bright red tail. It's an interesting squirrel. A big yellow building is the presidential palace, which I don't think they're currently using it, but it is what it is. Oh, there's an exotic bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is. What? Yeah. Oh, that's actually a pretty good view of it.
Yeah.
Even though this is actually the backside.
Well,
The front's up there. It's got like a little car park, but it's good too. It looks the same, sort of, from both sides. Great. So for this being like one of the top tourist attractions, there's no one here. That's crazy. It's kind of nice.
Vietnam's ready for me.
Yeah. Well, it's also like post-COVID. Well, they're not wearing masks, so I don't know. They're not worried about it, I guess, but it's right after COVID, and it's the off season, so I think it's probably the best time to come. I don't think I'd want to be here with more tourists, and the weather's nice. So
The weather, this is peak season.
this is peak. No, it's not. August isn't ends it. Oh, other way. Got clapped out of there.
Peak season is after monsoon season.
Is it
And
after monsoon
just
season?
ended, yeah.
I don't know. I read online it ends in August.
Yeah, and then you just wait a little bit more, and then right now, because the weather is better. Like, you have to wait for the monsoons and the weather to like get better. Like, this isn't that bad for weather.
Oh yeah, I think you have to go through this thing. Through the giant bathroom that's totally empty. It's that, like, with how big these facilities are and how important this is supposed to be and how there's no one here, it's definitely like a failed tourist season. That's what it feels like.
I just heard that Vietnam really got hurt by
I bet they
COVID.
did, yeah. Do you think there were a lot of sick people here during COVID, or it's just like the tourism's gone and that's it?
The tourism.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're back.
Maybe that's it. There's no more.
Yeah, I think that's it.
There's supposed to be the pagoda thingy with the one. Okay, well, here is Ho Chi Minh's private cars. Let's see what he was driving. Peugeot. That's a company that doesn't exist anymore. And I think that's another company that doesn't exist. It's like or it's a custom piece. And I don't recognize those symbols other than it's clearly some sort of socialist communist brand.
Và đồng bào ta ở nước ngoài đoàn kết một lòng thống nhất ý chí và hành động để bảo đảm chiến thắng đại dịch Covid-19. Dưới sự lãnh đạo chỉ đạo của Đảng, Chính phủ, lãnh đạo thành phố
Good
và ban chỉ
propaganda.
đạo phòng chống dịch các cấp với tinh thần chống dịch như chống giặc, cả hệ thống chính trị của toàn thể nhân dân Việt Nam đoàn kết một lòng, sụp sôi tinh thần chung tay chống dịch. Cùng với màu áo trắng của
Got some COVID stuff.
màu áo xanh của lực lượng công an quân đội nơi tuyến đầu phòng dịch, có một phòng tuyến áo xanh vững chắc được người.
This is the One Pedestal Pagoda. Illustration of law of karma. Which one is it?
I mean, they're bad and good examples. They're like
Oh.
at
If you're mean to your kids, some devil guy will be mean to you. If you burn money, you'll be poor.
I like this one.
If you burn a goat alive, you will get burned. Which one was that one you liked?
The snake one.
If you burn your wife, catch your wife on fire, she'll become you become a species without hands. Okay. Well, if you're using your hands to do evil, you won't have hands next
I like
time.
this one too.
Look at that. Being a thief and murderer in previous life brings rebirth to hell and suffering from fire and knives. Wow. Okay. Producing pornographic movies brings mental illness, misery, and a broken family. And Guitar Hero, low tech.
Interesting sign. I like that one.
Working as a slaughterer in previous life brings rebirth, short life in war zones. These are very specific. Ah. That is interesting.
Because I'm showing you the law of cause and effect.
Telling everyone the law of cause and effect brings rebirth into heaven. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This one's also us, so I guess I wrote it down. That will be us traveling too much.
Which one is us traveling too much?
Over there, the bike one.
This one?
Yeah.
Wasting time on traveling for fun brings mobility problems when blessing ends.
I like this one.
Don't have fun
This
traveling.
one's fun.
This one's good. Not building sufficient toilets for others in need affects brings stomach disease. I mean, that's so true.
Look at the pictures are so funny.
Yes. What is this? Preventing others from doing good things. Oh, don't help her. A tree just fell on her.
Like this-
Like, let's go to the mall.
You
Brings
turn
a
into a
paralyzed body later on. Oh my lord. That's next level.
dumb.
Which one?
You just turn into a dumb person.
Okay, what? Revealing the country's or someone's secrets causes serious consequences. Brings rebirth as dumb persons suffering from miserable consequences.
I like this one. You see this one?
No. Verbal abuse brings whatever you said to the listeners.
She turned into a
To
pig.
a sad piggy too. That's interesting. Yes, I will take your picture. What do you want in the picture?
Just like the
I'm gonna back up. Okay, there you go, $5. Let's check this one out. Are you gonna negotiate with me at least? Oh, this one's cool.